I regularly post new blog articles regarding digital marketing on my Google Blogger account. But now manually thinking about the content and posting it on my Google Blogger account every day is very time consuming task. That's where I automated this entire process by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. Now every day at a specific time, my automation gets triggered. AI generates the blog title for my digital marketing blog and then generates a proper blog article for the same and share it as a new blog post on my Google Blogger account. You can see this top one blog article. This is fully generated by AI, the title and the entire blog article. So this is how magically this automation runs. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. First, if you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now here after signing in, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to build a new connection, we're going to create a workflow first and you can see three methods. First, if you want to build a workflow step by step, select create from scratch. To build a workflow completely using AI prompts, use create using AI, and for a quick workflow setup, use quick builder. Here we are going to start a fresh chat and it is asking, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to describe my workflow and give it as a prompt to this quick workflow builder. Let me add that. It says every day at a specific time my workflow should get triggered. Gemini should generate blog title first and again using Gemini it should generate complete blog article. And lastly share it as a new post on my Google Blogger account. So after analyzing my request, it is asking which schedule Pabbly trigger should start this workflow. So let's select schedule workflow. For the Gemini, let's select generate content. Again, we are going to select generate content only and for Google Blogger, select create a post. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create and here we have received our workflow link. So with this we have successfully created a workflow using quick workflow builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is the response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin the automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here we have selected app and the app event and it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. So as I've already mentioned that I'm going to run every day at a specific time, that is 12 p.m. Okay, so we're going to click on the save and you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully set up a trigger over here for every day at 12 p.m. So now once the workflow is scheduled, I want Gemini to generate the blog article title first. For that we are going to use Gemini. You can use another AI tools as well such as OpenAI or Perplexity AI as well. So we're going to build a new connection over here and for the connection it is asking for an API key. So to get the key we are going to click on this hyperlink available over here and it will direct you to your Google AI Studio account. Here I easily got directed because I was already logged into my account in the same browser. From here select get API key and here you can see the existing API keys. For now I'm going to copy the existing ones. If you want you can create a new one by selecting this option. Alright, we are going to add the API key over here. Click on the save button and you can see we're now successfully connected. Then here it is asking us for a text column. So in this text column I need to add a relevant prompt that I want to give to AI for generating the blog title. So let me add that. And you can see we have successfully added a relevant prompt over here where I've added some instructions for the AI. Here for the model, I'm going to select Gemini 2.5 Flash and for the methods as generate content. Then we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response where we have received a title generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now, once the title is generated, I'm going to generate a complete blog article for the same title generated by AI. So I'm going to use Gemini once again, and this time to build this connection, we are going to select an existing connection because because we have already connected our Gemini with Pabbly Connect in our previous action setup. So we're going to click on the save, and you can see we're now successfully connected. Again, for the text column, I need to add a relevant prompt that I want to give to AI for generating the proper blog article for the title. So let me add it. Alright, so I've successfully added the entire prompt where I've added some instructions for the AI and the detail as title. So I need to enter the title that I've generated using Gemini in my previous action step. So here, instead of entering the data manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that I'm going to receive a new title from my Gemini, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first, and then we are going to map the title generated by AI. So this is the title generated by AI, and here I've successfully added the prompt. Then again, for the model, select Gemini 2.5 Flash, and for the method, select generate content. Let's click on the save and send test request, and you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the entire article generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now, after generating the title and the article, we are going to share it as a new post on our Google Blogger account. For that, we are going to build a new connection over here and then click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then we are going to click on this continue and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. You can see we're now successfully connected. Then here it is asking for a blog ID. So to get the ID, let me take you to my Google Blogger account, and you can see this is my blog ID, which is my blog. So I'm going to select same from the drop down, and here it comes the title and the content. So for the title, I'm going to have the title generated by AI and content generated by AI as well. Then it is asking for the status. So I'm going to select the status as live, and for this draft we are going to select no because we are going to make it live directly. Then here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank, and then we are going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully shared a new blog article on our Google Blogger account. Let's go and check it. Here I'm going to move back. Let's refresh it, and you can see a new blog article has been generated over here with the same title generated by AI, and this is the entire blog article generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as scheduled by Pabbly and action as Gemini twice and Google Blogger, so that every day at a specific time my automation is going to run. AI is going to generate the article title and the entire article using Gemini, and then share it as a new post on my Google Blogger account within seconds. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how you can use this AI agent to write blog articles. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.